Let's talk about you. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, on me, on me, on me, lonely, no. No. Hey man. Say man. What's good, YouTube? Sean Curry coming back at you again with another banger, you know what I'm saying? I said I'm back with another video. If you're new, turn on the post notifications, like, comment, subscribe for my newest videos. But yeah. What's going on, Black?
Man.
Them Ring cameras catch everything.
They catch everything.
They catch everything.
It's always on.
I have not yet seen this video, but y'all see that motherfucking title, man. Yo. Before we start this video, go ahead and comment down below what you think. What would you do if...
Oh, shot the ex-boyfriend.
Oh my God. The dad shot the ex-boyfriend.
This probably comes back to that.
Girl, what would you do if your dad shot your ex-boyfriend? Let me know in the comments. Let's go.
Nice place.
Thanks.
Did you know? Paying rent can raise your credit scores instantly. Free with Experian. Now rent can boost your credit scores instantly. Free with Experian Boost. Download the app now.
Barbara! First off, what is this nigga doing?
A Ring doorbell.
Right into this bitch. You see that?
First off, this nigga is just in this motherfucking door. Just,
He wants his love back, man. He needs his love back.
that nigga in that shit. Well, I don't know what the fuck this lady talking about, but we gonna see this.
Camera captures the terrifying moment when a woman's ex-boyfriend is shot and killed by her father. It happened on July 31st in Sydney, Ohio. Allison Duckrew says she and her mother returned home from breakfast when her ex-boyfriend approached the front door. When no one answers the door, the man starts to get physical. Through all this, Allison places a call to 911.
There's just a guy on my front porch.
Got the screws through the
The
bitch.
screws loose on that motherfucker.
Whoa. That nigga was not playing.
He won't leave and he tries to stand behind his back and answer me on the way. I left him a voicemail on my phone last night where
That voicemail came from 22-year-old James Rail, who Allison says she dated several years ago.
Hi, Alan. It's James. I just wanted to reach out to you because I just wanted to see how you're doing. It's been a while since I've talked to you, and I feel like it. I don't know what I feel. I do know that I do want to talk to you, though. I do. It'd be nice.
Allison later tells investigators she did not return the
I do
call.
want to talk to you.
Allison ain't all that, man. He fucking all that.
Allison, I
Allison, she look like Allison.
After Rail breaks through the family's door, Allison's father, Mitchell Duckrew, calls out with a warning. Seconds later, 3 shots are fired in Rail's direction.
Ma'am? Yeah?
What's going on?
He broke through the door and my dad shot at him.
Ring footage shows Rail falling to the ground before dragging himself toward the family's garage. Soon after, several neighbors approached the scene.
He's been trying to get to our daughter.
Okay, well, he's not moving. You ought to get it.
He not moving. He didn't have a gun.
He didn't even have a gun.
Okay. Call me.
Hey, Martin, no, we already we're on the phone with them right now.
You going to
Meanwhile,
jail.
Allison
Going
remains
to jail.
on the phone with 911 and can be heard comforting her father.
You're the best dad ever. You just saved my life.
I know I got mommy. It's gonna be for our man.
You saved my life, Dad.
You what?
As the Duckbrew family stays inside the home, neighbors outside monitor the situation.
Dude, you better hurry up and get an ambulance down. Oh my God. Hey, did you already kill them, Alan? Yeah, I did. Did you tell me shot? He's dead and shot? He's gone.
He gone.
Dude, he's better died. I hear him. He's dead. He died.
Several
He
minutes
did, he
after
died.
gunshots
Wow,
were heard, officers
casual.
arrived to the
Casual.
scene.
That guy's dead. Right here. Where's the guy with the gun?
These are real killers.
The guy tried to break into the house. Okay. And the guy was just basically protecting himself.
We're right here.
Okay, you guys have your gun down?
Yeah, we're right here.
Officers enter the home and secure the weapon used in the shooting.
Shit.
After that, the
that
Duckbrew
burner
family
on you.
explains how the situation began and quickly escalated.
Was he following all three of you or just you? Just you two? And you were already.
Yeah, he been waiting to shoot niggas. That fake sound, that fake ass.
Allison tells
Man.
officers she had no communication with Rail for several years until he called her out of the blue.
She lying like a motherfucker.
Body camera footage also shows Allison embracing her father and later sitting
Look,
next to him
smile.
near the family
None
pool.
of that
At the same
bitch.
time, other officers secure the situation in the front of the home and speak with neighbors.
So you're
I heard the gunshots and I seen him drop. Invasion. The homeowner. I mean, you see a body laying there.
An Ohio grand jury later declined to indict homeowner Mitchell Duckbrew in the shooting based on stand your ground laws in the state. For the latest developments in this story and all things true crime, stay with Law Crime Network. I'm Sierra Gillespie.
That's stand your ground law. Hey,
Damn.
don't come in my place. You will get shot.
I'll do the same shit. Fuck.
Tell you about it, I ain't gonna lie with it.
I'm drilling to my shit, then you gonna motherfucker come to my
Warned him. He said, I got a gun. I got a gun.
You said that?
He said it.
Who?
He said, I got a gun. Don't do it. He didn't give a fuck.
Yeah, man. Don't fuck with the white folks.
Yeah, don't fuck with the white folk.
They do not play. They do not play. Wanna show y'all, if y'all like that video, if y'all want me to do more videos like this, like this video. Like this video and comment on it. And let me know what other videos I'm shooting. Y'all see my Instagram in the corner. See it over here, over there. But
I didn't be up there.
it might be up there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, shoot me some videos and let me know what videos I should go ahead and do. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, Reacto gang going crazy over here. You know what I'm saying? We running it back up. You know what I'm saying?
We ain't gonna
You know what
stop
I'm
this
saying?
time.
We not stopping this time, man. I have to keep on going, man. Y'all see this shit. And subscribe to the channel, man, if y'all fucking with us. You know what I'm saying? And we go.